Hi, welcome to the course of design pattern. Today we will learn about adapter pattern. Adapter pattern is a type of creational pattern, and its primary focus is to act as a bridge between two incompatible interfaces. Just like that, we have two interfaces that are unable to communicate with each other, and this adapter classes and adapter objects help us and facilitate us to communicate between them. It is also known as the wrapper classes. This is the real world example that sometimes client interface request to the target interface that are unable to communicate between them. So the client interface requests to the adapter to help him or help it to make sure the communication with the target adaptee. So adapter pattern just like this pattern. For example, in this diagram, in this UML diagram, we have two interfaces called media player and advanced media player. So initially we suppose that this media player only able to play the MP3 files, and this advanced media player only able to play MP4 and VLC player file. So in order to play audio file through advanced media player, we need a media adapter class, because this advanced media player unable to play the audio file because do not inherit the audio player class. So in order to play the audio file from the advanced media player, we have to create a adapter pattern, yeah, adapter class that help us to communicate between these patterns. So the last we have a adapter demo class that is called the main class to show the demonstration of these patterns. So in real world, as we saw in the diagram, that we have one interface called advanced player that are only supposed to play the VLC file and the MP4 file, and the other interface is called media player file that only supposed to play the audio file. So the advanced media player file interface have two concrete classes, that is VLC player that allows to play the VLC files, and the media player and the media player class that allow us to play the play MP4 files. And this is the audio player class that inherit and implements the media player interfaces in order to play the audio files. So in order to make sure the communication between these two interfaces, in order to play the audio file from the advanced media player, we need an media adapter class. Media adapter class have a instance and an object of the advanced media player interface that checks put some checks on the file names, either on the extension files from the VLC, from the MP4, and it contains the it contains the implementation of media player file. The media player interface, we know that the media player interface only play the audio file. So this media adapter class make sure the both three files, the VLC, the MP4, and the audio file, that all that files play from at one place. So at last we have a demonstration class, demo adapter, that helps to play the both three files through the one objects of the audio player. So suppose to the audio player. So with audio player, as we saw in the diagram, we just have some recap that audio player only helps to play the MP3 class. So it only enables with the adapter class that audio player can play the VLC player and the media player, and can have the access to VLC player and the media player class. So this adapter pattern helps the audio player to play both three files, and one is the invalid file that did not allow to play any file, that puts the pop-up screen or the pop-up alert that this is the formatted or unsported format that are present in this class. So we need to check that by running this code, that the audio player can help to MP3 class, audio player can playing MP4, and the audio player and helps to play the far away depth VLC. And the last, this is the invalid media format that that show the alert to the user that this is not a valid extension of the player. So this is the primary goal of the adapter class, helps to helps to communicate between two interfaces, two incompatible interfaces. So for more videos, keep watching and keep subscribing. If you have any question, put your question in the comment section. We will answer those questions. Thank you.